Hey friends, just a quick little model review here. Downloaded this off of Printables. The model is by SteveS42. I've been wanting one of these for a while. I was actually going to make one myself, but then I kept coming across them on my Printables trolling adventures. And this one in particular really stood out to me. Ratcheting toothpaste winder, no supports. And I was looking at the details of the model before I printed it, because I download a lot of stuff that I never even print, but this one just had really nice topology, and also I thought, like, mechanically it just seemed really well done. It was clear that the creator had a very good understanding of how to leverage the strengths of the material and the printing orientation and so forth, someone with experience. And just in general, the design really appealed to me, and it's kind of the classic design of a ratcheting toothpaste squeezer, where basically it has this little slot that it pulls the thing through. Anyway, I'm just gonna put this together. Hopefully I can actually do it right. I think this, actually have no idea how this goes together. Oh, okay, so the ratchet is on this end. I can tell that because there's a little retainer down here, and then there's a little box there. Anyway, really nice design. So yeah, this is kind of how you would expect it to work. And then this would presumably go through here. And hopefully, yeah, that's got to be the right direction because of the way the lock fits on there. Look at that, perfect tolerances there. Look at how well that flexing works. Oh, very satisfying ratchet sound too. So yeah, so far everything about this is appealing to me. A lot of these the models that I've seen have a huge flaw, and that's that the key winder, or it doesn't have a key. It's just like this little knob or something that's like incredibly painful. You need leverage for these to really work well. And additionally, having a ratchet instead of something that unwinds every time you use it is just, anyway, look at those tolerances. Yeah, I'm just like so impressed with the mechanical engineering properties of this. And as he said in his like incredibly detailed model description, like, you want to print this flat on the bed, because if you print it vertical, then this ratchet thing is going to be weak and might snap off. But if you print it flat on the bed, anyway, let's try this out, shall we? Okay, I mean, it has to go through like this. I was worried that the slot wouldn't fit my weird American toothpaste, which I don't use anymore. And I used to be really paranoid about fluoride, and I learned fairly recently through a series of unfortunate events that that's like really stupid and paranoid, and just as bad as being an anti-vaxxer pretty much. And fluoride is actually our friend. I mean, you probably shouldn't be like eating barrels of fluoride or anything, but in terms of the dental benefits that it provides, the remineralization of the teeth and stuff, kind of important. And I wish I'd been a little smarter when I was older, or younger, I mean. Anyway, I kind of want this to go all the way through here before I start ratcheting it, because I don't want it to slip out. But just keep feeding it through that slot. And I mean, like, once you do this, you don't have to do it again, right? So presumably, all right, that's probably enough. All right, let's give it a shot here. Hopefully it won't slip out. So, all good so far. Oh yeah, it slipped out. Okay, so it's got to be quite a bit farther through that slot, I imagine. Now this is like a challenging design problem to solve. I'm not even sure exactly how you would feed this through here in the most efficient way. It's probably just trial and error, but now that I have it advanced sufficiently, I think it's going to be pretty problem free. Even the simplest mechanisms can cause you trouble, but so far so good. Like, it's really squeezing the toothpaste out of there. This is a pretty thin slot. Probably good to get it centered on there so that it is applying force evenly. Luckily this was an old tube, so it was already basically at that perfect sweet spot for squeezing toothpaste tubes. And yeah, the ratchet has plenty of force. It's winding nice and tight. I'm not worried about this breaking at all. Aesthetically, it looks great. This tube is primed to explode. If I take this cap off, it's probably just going to squirt everywhere. So, mission accomplished. Yeah, so thanks SteveS42. This is a really nice design. It's going to look good in my bathroom or workshop or wherever I keep toothpaste. Toothpaste is actually really versatile for a lot of things. It's great as a polishing compound if you just want to use it to like clean up some metal, or even give you a nice mirror finish on some things. And it's non-marring usually because it's designed for tooth enamel. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll put a link to this model in the description so you guys can get one of these yourselves. Quality product.